Listen to me. I don't want you talking to that boy ever again.
Daddy, please, he's just a friend.
I said no, your education comes first.
Please, lower your voice. Remember, she has done well in all her studies.
I know she has, but that boy is crossing our fence. And her going abroad, she'll do better in her studies.
He has a name, Dad. His name is Michael.
Clearly, I don't care if he has a name or not. I built everything, this family, and I will not let my daughter throw her future away over a boy who has nothing to offer.
Mom, can you say something?
John, the boy is just her friend. Let them enjoy life. He's a good boy as far as I can see.
I don't want her into that family. That boy is worthless. They are poor, his father is a farmer, and his son will not be able to provide for you in the future.
Stop being pathetic. Since we started judging people, John?
He's my close friend. He's our next door neighbor.
I have arranged for you to go abroad and continue your studies.
Mom, I don't want to leave.
Please remember she's a teenager.
And that is why I'm protecting her.
No, you're not protecting me, Dad. You're taking me away from someone I love.
It is final. I've made my decision, and we leave on a flight tomorrow.
I know what's best for this family.
Dinner is done, thank you. You may now go pack your bags.
Amra's father, Mr. John Blake, a powerful, impeccably dressed businessman whose name commands respect and fear. Wealth follows him everywhere, but his true weakness is his daughter. He now suspects a boy who attends her school is getting too close, and without hesitation will relocate just to protect her.
I leave with my family abroad, and I need everything to my daughter's comfort when we arrive.
The decision he made did not wound him immediately. It was settled quietly in his chest, unnoticed, until 20 years to come. It would bloom into pain.
I believe she has a boyfriend, and she cannot have a boyfriend. Some are not good enough for our daughters.
His pain will come when he's standing tall in a tailored suit at the altar, his hand trembling as he walked his daughter down the aisle, towards the same boy he once forced out of her life, shocked in now knowing their love was endless.
John, are we making the right choice for our daughter?
Yes, we are. They're kids. They know nothing about what love is.
Exactly, they are kids, John. 16 and 17 years old. Allow her to enjoy her teenage old.
Many would enjoy what, Michelle? Sex? Because that's exactly where it will lead to.
Look, we always wanted to travel. So we leave and continue her studies, and she'll simply forget about that boy. I am a protector, Mitchell.
Okay, just make sure whatever decision you make doesn't hurt my daughter.
Because if it does, I'll hold you responsible for the rest of this marriage.
No problem. Shall we head to bed? I have an important meeting in the morning.
Michael Mensah, the boy she can never let go. Today is the day something inside him will break for the first time. Not loudly, not all at once, but in a way that will stay with him forever. By the end of today, he will understand what emotions truly means, the price and how love, when it leaves, takes parts of you with it. He wakes before the sun. He checks his phone for calls or texts from Amara, as he always does. He writes a love letter for her each morning, before school. His hands find the soil, lifting buckets, standing beside his father in fields that don't allow excuses. Hard work is the language of his home. Love is spoken through action. School is something he enjoys, because somewhere between corridors and classrooms is Amara. Seeing her in the morning makes the early hours worth it. A single smile can steady him for the rest of the day. Part of him goes to school for education, and part of him goes for her. Michael knows what love is. He learned it from his mother and watching his father. where his father spoke softly to a woman who could no longer remember his name, where love didn't leave when illness arrived, where patience replaced pride. His mother lives behind those walls now, dementia holding her memories hostage, but she is never absent. Michael does not know what he cannot yet prepare for, that tonight, the one person he feels safest is about to disappear. The feeling he has been holding on to, the one thing that has kept him steady, is about to be taken far beyond his reach. And when it happens, Michael Mensa will learn a truth that changes people, that love doesn't always leave gently.
Hello?
Hey, you wasn't at school today. Are you okay?
I am leaving. I am leaving. I'll be going abroad with my mum and dad for college.
Wait, what? Why? When?
Tonight. My dad don't want me seeing you anymore.
How am I supposed to live without you? You and my dad is all I got right now.
I know that, Michael. But I have no control over my life right now. I am packing, I am locating, and a thought came to me that maybe we weren't meant to be friends.
No, don't say that. Love is real. What's meant to be will be. Your dad, just believe he's making the right choices for you.
I believe so too. But why take me away?
Look, I grew up watching my father love my mother, who no longer remembered him. Real love is unshakable. It doesn't disappear when things get hard or when the world stands in the way.
I guess so too. Time will tell.
Love will bring us back, and that same love will keep us both strong.
Camera darling, we have to leave now. Our flight's in an hour.
The night she left, the sky opened, rain fell hard, as if the world was trying to speak for him. Michael ran barefoot into it, calling her name as headlights cut through the darkness. His chest burned, his breath broke, but he kept running down the road. As a young 17-year-old boy, he watched her car pull away. And before the realization could fully settle, before his body understood what his heart already knew, she was already gone. Somewhere above the clouds, seatbelt fastened, phone switched off, moving further away with every passing second.
What's wrong, son? You haven't been eating.
I'm not hungry, Dad.
You've said that for 3 days. She's gone, isn't she?
Yeah, she left
Last night.
Good. I hate her father. He's a controlling freak.
No, son, I'll never tolerate that language in my house. Now, apologize.
I'm sorry, Dad, but I am upset. I've never felt this way with no emotion.
That's why I am here as a father, to teach you about love. Would you like to talk about it, son?
What's the point? Talking won't bring her back.
But silence will bury you. I know this through loving your mother.
She didn't want to leave. I know that. But knowing doesn't change anything.
Love rarely changes outcomes, son. It changes people. Sometimes it's about letting someone walk away without turning bitter.
So what am I supposed to do? Forget her?
Of course not. Don't chase her in your mind every day. Don't punish yourself. Live and build. Become the man she saw when she looked at you. And never stop loving her. First love never dies.
10 years passed. Almera built a life, but love never followed. She tried to forget new cities, new faces, but nothing stayed. Every connection felt borrowed, every touch incomplete. because the truth she avoided was simple and terrifying. She never stopped loving the boy she left behind. And somewhere, far from her world, Michael Mensah was still carrying her name. He too was single and poor. The question that remained was the one neither of them dared to ask. Would she go back for love? And if she did, would Michael still choose her? Please like, share and subscribe for part 2.